Hello, my name is Rosen and I'm a Sitecore developer at FFW agency. Today I want to share with you a new feature that we just added to SAF. Maybe you know what SAF already if you watched the previous video. What is this feature about? It's about using Cake and integrating Cake with SAF in order to easily publish single projects within our solution, or even publish static files just with one click. So let's share with you how this works. Here, let's say that we have a project where we set up our build configuration. We can add this Cake Build tasks file for Sitecore, and after that we should initialize the Cake Build. So uh, just wait a bit. If you have used Cake, you know that it needs this initial setup. So let's wait for it. So we do that just once. When we add the file, here it is. So now we are ready. The next steps are just to configure some basic configurations here in the file, like where is our website root. Let's say that this is our website root. This is just a demo, just an example, so it doesn't really matter. We need the source folder, so let's get that. And the solution file. All right, here we are. Let's just quickly check what we have here. So the build configuration, if we want to be debug or release or test or prod, doesn't matter for now. But yeah, Visual Studio 2017, the build tool version. And these are our Helix specific source folders, like the foundation, feature, project. It's not so important for now, but what we have here as tasks. So this is some kind of system task which works with SAF, so we don't care, but we have the rebuild solution and publish all projects, which will basically publish all foundation, feature, and projects. If you have used Gulp or Cake, doesn't matter, maybe you've seen that there in the community there are some tasks which are related to publish all feature projects, publish all foundation projects, publish all projects, and so on. We think that this is not needed all the time, and it just takes more time that it's actually needed, because most of the time you work just on one project, and you don't need to let's say on a feature, and you don't need to publish all feature projects in order to deploy your code to the website root. And that's why we left here only the all projects tasks, publish all projects tasks, and the rebuild solution. Everything else right now is handled as Visual Studio command in the Solution Explorer, and I'll just show you how it works. But yeah, I want to say that this file, it could be modified. You can extend it. You can add your tasks here. You can update the configuration and whatever you want and you need. So what I have actually here installed is the Cake for Visual Studio, just in order to be able to run um, my tasks in the task manager, uh, especially this one, publish all projects, when I get latest of the code, let's say. But now when we set it up, when we set this thing up, what we get out of the box. So you see that we just uh, filled these properties, these configuration properties. Here is our build configuration. It's done. It's set up here. So we did this thing only here, only once in this file. And now we get this command here, publish project to website root on any of our projects. So easy, no need to configure publish profiles on each project or whatever. You can just come here and say publish project to website root if you work on this project particularly. So let's wait a bit and we'll see that our project code has been deployed to the website root, which is just here. All right, here we are. So we got our code deployed here. And other than that, you can use SAF to deploy single files. Like let's say that you work on a static file like the views or on some view or some JS file, and you don't want to publish the whole project because of that. So you can just come here and say publish file to website root. So this will publish only the foundation one CSHTML. This command will be available on any file which is marked as which has configured build action to content. So if we change this web configuration right now, you will see that we'll get the command here for the single files also, and it's even cooler because here, for example, where we have our config file, if we have transform on that file, it will apply the transform on the file on the fly, and it will deploy the file in the view. So we see that we have deployed, it will deploy the file, the transformed file in the website root, specific, very important for our configurations, Sitecore configs, web configs, or whatever. So we got our CSHTML file. So yeah, that's it. I hope I explained it well, but yeah, basically what you get here is easier way to publish your projects, even single files, especially talking about the static files when we develop and we don't need to publish the whole project we are working on. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and yeah, add a comment if you would use this feature in the future, and so on. Bye.